Is it a corruption badai nam taki high level ne de kerman shla la kren ki statement hado bakal along nationally viral.
कोर्ट ने सवाल पूछा सरकार से कहां गया तो मंत्री जी बोले मालिक वो बारिश में बह गया.
Never know, it could be because of the rain it carried away. Being the highest rainfall, chances is very high.
Bala siya singi ki ong ba oh dile survey minister te ong na balara siya ta yung taw kana spa arpo. Ne ulile survey minister oh dati de kana spa arpo uri hang hedin dia. Kublish puni people and welcome you back to Word with Nell. I'm at the singing of Carbon Crunch Pang Kane Kachinja Jung Dewiong kan mau ne MPC bro. Hapun July baja sahaja metric ton. Tahu ko ban ad lang bat kane beno should have how new tayo benikong jung brand November hi pa maja ba sa kandai spa metric ton. That's a weird thing, right? Okay, what is going on with our state? MPC bro ka fiat ba pa Meghalaya ko jugi kane ka jukti illegal mining hapo Meghalaya ka don may nakapor ka illegal transportation ka don may nakapor. Takadawa arjar khatsao kane ka National Green Tribunal kane ka committee wala pan mi apu ka high court kalakhang ya kane ka jingti Dewiong kum ka gram knai namar ka ong namba kala pamara jingma shibo na kane ka shnong badan ni badan Dewiong badi ki brio kum jo ki basa ka shnong bad ala pamara jingma ru ka environment kum jo and kane ka illegal transportation apu ka shnong ka jingi ka Meghalaya jingi ram ka bama ba takadawa pinpet haman ki check gate am pinyi ba kine ki Dewiong nam kini ki Dewiong ki don bet ki shong me ki jaka khandreng ki shong me kuntu akajing shong kini ki illegal coal ki illegal Dewiong hapu ki jaka kuntu government of Meghalaya kala I bor haka Meghalaya Basin Development Authority ka I bor ka basin makan letpet ikini kan aerial survey kini kat no ki dan kumno ka dan ki natural resources ka livelihood ki brio ka environmental sustainability hapu ka shnong ka thaw hapu ka Meghalaya hi ka I bor ka basin makan pet de how arjar pesan pa berapa Januari khanyau trek kan mau phai kan tarik mo Januari khanyau trek how Januari khanyau trek ka basin ka le aerial survey kan Dewiong ki Dewiong mar hagi jaka ko ong ba hapo rija juja ko ba khapras pa plus e Dewiong mar hapo dengan uja ko ba arhajar sis pa plus e Dewiong ke mu total ki ong na kalajan kot hadu 1,000 metric ton Dewiong takajing ja jong tau Dewiong ukerman shela ula kren ki statement hado bakal along nationally viral.
Never know, it could be because of the rain it carried away. Being the highest rainfall, chances is very high.
Ka statement bukre mo ubaw yuta usaw hajar metric ton Dewiong lara uslap. Tharay balara uslap siya po bangla. Uang ba banyarap ya kata ka statement ko jung uang ko na. Ada po asam kala bendap to kumno yung Dewiong kamla bendra. That's what a help statement up top of that statement why. So imagine P. Kum minister kumno o klempet yang ka research date no klempet kita baru kau namar hapong hangne bangale research mga kito kanyo tadek man piningay fi kumno ka to kanyo tadek pa hakane ka jengkren jong sketri jong ka mining and geological department ong ba hapor baka basin ka aerial survey hakini ki chaka how January kanyo tadek arajan arpsan di kumno kermen sela o klempet di kene ka tarik kene ki date e barokhat syukran me kita statement barokhat barum da makali jingkli yu ba kumno pikiran ni kini statement apa ka perbalik survey te kani kanyo trek January how January ha uslap ayu bahab andre ya kani statement bokran bon ki jingkli hadu 1,000 ton uslap ayu banra hadu 1,000 ton de tu bro Dewiong udi soft excel ta pure wa so let's leave that aside temar ka tu kala ada blade te da makali jingkli uda ho bau nyu iya kani ka video bon reply and response ngam te ma te kan mau ba hakini kising bino shida ja bang sa khnai spa metric tan hakini ka jinja khnai spa metric tan ro kam Meghalaya government kan ong ba state government on Tuesday clarifies that the issue of 900 metric ton of coal labeled as missing in Rijaju and Dengan village of Southwest Kasil district it's not a new occurrence. So it's an old occurrence. Kanay ka jinja mo kadi ka barem. Hakano ka dur kadi ka barem. Emantahang ne u ban clarify ka neto u state region ka mining and geological department u confirm ba hoot kaday 920 metric ton Dewiong na kato ka jinja ka barem. Haka barem ka obesin ka omaja ka ba 1,000 metric ton ni ay ang bahadin pag ki na kaditang kanay sa 4 metric ton. Imagine the change. How did change happen? Washing powder nirma. Kaya ang hanaba hapor bakale survey ka basin kali aerial survey ka basin how January kanyo tarik arajan apsan ban pet ka volume jung Dewiong hap kini ki chaka ko ang na using they use an advanced technology use advanced technology like ortho mosaic drone imaginary along with 3D point cloud digital surface model along with surface volume tool estimating baja kung bakat praspa na pakandai hapo rejaju bar arjar chispa arpoi hapo dengan tekala jengkot kung pasaho geometric tan ni. Imagine p using advanced technology hado baka kerteng ro jan la keno sure taruh ki ong banam pakla demut ke ka report ayu baka ai ka basin mut mostly bun ka babakla ken nada ka use advanced hani ki ong using advanced technologies man use advanced technology ban ai kene report but ki use kene advanced technology man check ka volume uduyong udan katno hakane ka jaka katno ka jingbam une uduyong hakane ka jaka ki thokum ta imagine we using advanced technology ro ki ong na bad kim ong ro bakla tam ki pinsyai parang ne ba baja sa geometric ton uja ta khana spa arpometric tan tahdin pabalaja komne une u justice BP kantake u phale physical survey yo deputy commissioner jo ka southwest khasi hill district ulo ang ba katsan spa san hapo dengan udan uduyong but katsan spa like metric ton hapo rejaju udan uduyong murka ka estimation ka ba ai ka basin kam deire temata kena spa arpometric tan the only question is how menta kadang jai par kena spa arpometric tan kena spa arpometric tan bikin ka pisah kala jan poi kumbakan ai po ar lak e kena po ar lak nga ken spo jar shitan ma ngamtip kala ban tam me kata kala ban dunai kata bang shken kena spo jar shitan kumur kan de kena po ar lak e mur ka pisah kadang ja mur uduyong udang ja sheu ja
Because of the rain, it carried away.
the only problem for me is bala shala singi ki ong ba oh lile survey minister te ong na bala ra sha ta ka yung taw kna spa arpo ne lile survey minister oh dat ne kna spa arpo ri hang hedin dien acha ta te am I'm just joking around okay namar ba see the problem with me is bala da ka basin per kali survey ko ong tunak 1,000 metric ton uja 1,000 metric ton to kumno hari mo pili physical survey pi ong ba dun uja ta kana spa arpometric ton it's a big gap it's a really big a huge gap so I don't know is it a corruption ba de nam ki high level ne de nam ki brula de ne de bo klam ja shisha ne nang sun mata namar ngingim yo ta manila survey hero so to cover up something they do something else there which make it very weird so I don't know, is it true, is it not true? And the only thing, one more thing I want to add is ba kung no yo u kermen shala kim pen ket clear ka statement ko jung u bala pen rai nationally. Ki news baro khot, ki newspaper baro khot, ki internet news baro khot. Ki ong na ba ka statement kami no minister kumta. Kano ka jing rai. Tamba ka de ka survey pa ka di how banay January, how banay kriyat. To slap ban yo ano artip show. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section. And one more thing. Kibon kibriyo kibo ayang nga ba na lara fila mkini ki video batay sa suggestion you can ayang comment. Ya kanay kapar suggestion mangan ayos ba ang gigito ki minister ki bakwa ban shim responsibility bam kwa ban shim kata ka jingket kliem ang yaki ban hiar shutino tang kata ka way ang yaki ban hiar shutino namar ba nga I ka shumi tang ka jing klumar pa ko sinong kataw ko jingi namta namar ba kini ki minister ki jingi ka jing yaki briyo ki jingi. That's the only thing. I don't have much to say, guys. Comment down below what you guys think. Okay? Until next time.